Learn English to Gujarati come forms.
આવું, હું આવું છું.
And more. Welcome to come. Hey, you are about to master one very useful verb in Gujarati. Come. And yes, this tiny word will now walk dramatically into your brain wearing sunglasses. Today's star is
આવું,
which means come. If a word could wave from across the street and shout, wait for me, this would be the one. You will learn these forms. Come equals
આવું,
I come equals
હું આવું છું.
you come equals
તું આવે છે.
he comes equals
તે આવે છે.
she comes equals
તે આવે છે.
it comes equals
તે આવે છે.
we come equals
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
you all come equals
તમે બધા આવો.
they come equals.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Quick meaning trick
આવું,
is movement toward the speaker. If the action is coming closer, not going away, you are in the right neighborhood. The base verb. Let's start with the root form so everything else feels less scary and more snack-sized. The base verb is
આવું,
come. Say it slowly.
આવું,
Now again, like you are inviting a friend and also a plate of hot samosas.
આવું,
Many examples. Please come here, uses.
આવું,
They will come tomorrow, uses.
આવું,
I want to come early, uses.
આવું,
Memory trick. Imagine your front door glowing with the word
આવું,
every time someone enters. Very dramatic. Very effective. Meet the people. Now the verb gets dressed up for different subjects. Same idea, different guests at the grammar party. I come equals
હું આવું છું.
you come equals
તું આવે છે.
he comes equals
તે આવે છે.
she comes equals
તે આવે છે.
it comes equals
તે આવે છે.
we come equals
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
you all come equals
તમે બધા આવો.
they come equals.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Notice something fun?
તે આવે છે.
Can mean he comes, she comes, or it comes depending on context. Gujarati is efficient. It packed 3 meanings into one suitcase. Tiny story at the door. Let's put all the forms into one silly little scene. Imagine a house, a doorbell, and absolutely no one knowing how to enter quietly. I stand by the door and say,
હું આવું છું.
because apparently I am announcing my own arrival to my own house. Then I look outside and tell my friend.
તું આવે છે.
A moment later, my brother shows up.
તે આવે છે.
Then my sister arrives too.
તે આવે છે.
Even the delivery box finally reaches us, so yes.
તે આવે છે.
Soon our whole family walks up together saying,
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
I open the door wide and shout to the neighbors.
તમે બધા આવો.
Then the guests appear from nowhere like they were hiding behind a bush, and now.
તેઓ આવે છે.
And behind all of it, the big idea remains.
આવું,
Come. Repeat after me. This is your speaking drill. No pressure. If you sound dramatic, excellent. Drama helps memory. Say, come.
આવું,
Say, I come.
હું આવું છું.
Say, you come.
તું આવે છે.
Say, he comes.
તે આવે છે.
Say, she comes.
તે આવે છે.
Say, it comes.
તે આવે છે.
Say, we come.
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
Say, you all come.
તમે બધા આવો.
Say, they come.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Funny dialogues. Now let's make the language useful with mini dialogues. Also, let's allow one lazy cat to be part of the curriculum. A. Will you come? B. Yes.
હું આવું છું.
A. When you arrive, we start. B. Good.
તું આવે છે.
A. Is Rahul here yet? B. Yes.
તે આવે છે.
A. Is your sister on the way? B. Yes.
તે આવે છે.
A. Is the bus finally near? B. Miracle of miracles.
તે આવે છે.
A. Are you all on the way? B. Yes.
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
Host. Dinner is ready. Guests. Should we enter? Host.
તમે બધા આવો.
A. Are the guests here? B. Yes.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Bonus cat dialogue. A. Why does the cat only appear at snack time? B. Because even the cat knows when to.
Avu.
Quick pattern tips. Here is the good news. You do not need to panic. Patterns are your friends, unlike that one app notification that never stops coming. Base idea.
Avu.
Means come. For I come, Gujarati uses.
હું આવું છું.
For you come, use.
તું આવે છે.
For he comes, she comes, and it comes, the same form appears.
તે આવે છે.
One form, 3 jobs. Someone deserves a raise. For we come, use.
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
For inviting a group, use.
તમે બધા આવો.
For they come, use.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Mini quiz time. Let's see what stuck. If you get one wrong, that is fine. Your brain is still warming up its dance moves. How do you say come?
આવું.
How do you say I come?
હું આવું છું.
How do you say you come?
તું આવે છે.
How do you say he comes?
તે આવે છે.
How do you say she comes?
તે આવે છે.
How do you say it comes?
તે આવે છે.
How do you say we come?
અમે આવીએ છીએ.
How do you say you all come?
તમે બધા આવો.
How do you say they come?
તેઓ આવે છે.
Your challenge. Now it is your turn. Be brave. Pretend you are directing traffic at the world's friendliest doorway. Say all 9 forms in order.
આવું. હું આવું છું. તું આવે છે. તે આવે છે. તે આવે છે. તે આવે છે. અમે આવીએ છીએ. તમે બધા આવો. તેઓ આવે છે.
Now say them backwards if you want bonus points from the Invisible Language Gym Coach. Yes, the coach is very proud of you. Conclusion. Nice work. You just practiced one important Gujarati verb in many useful forms. That is real progress, not fake, I watched one video and now I am fluent, progress. Today you learned.
આવું. હું આવું છું. તું આવે છે. તે આવે છે. અમે આવીએ છીએ. તમે બધા આવો.
And.
તેઓ આવે છે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases again tomorrow, and let these Gujarati words come back to you easily. Yes, let them.
આવું.
Right into your memory.